Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory provides some basic concept about atoms and it has some limitation also. It postulate are there. First postulate, matter consists of indivisible atoms. That means, as we know that if we have molecule like dihydrogen gas H2, it breaks down into hydrogen atom, but after formation of atom, this hydrogen atom does not breakable or hydrogen atom does not convert into another form. That means matter consists of indivisible atom. So atom is the smallest part of the matter. Second rule, all atoms of a given element, possess identical properties including identical mass. So if we take Cl2 molecule, then it divide into chlorine atom, then each chlorine atom possess same atomic mass and its property also remain same. So all the atoms found in given element have similar identical properties. Third postulate of Dalton's atomic theory. Compounds are formed when atoms of different element combine in a fixed ratio. That means if H2 gas react with O2 gas, then it form H2O liquid, 2H2O liquid. Then we can say that 2 part of hydrogen react with 1 part of oxygen atom. So this third law means compound are always formed when atoms of two different elements combine in a fixed ratio. So the ratio of hydrogen is 2:2 and ratio of oxygen is 1. So the ratio of two different elements is 2:1 in given molecules. Rule number 4. Chemical reaction involve reorganization of the atoms. I repeat, always during any chemical reactions, atoms are rearranged. That means no any atom created or no any atom destroyed, only reorganized during the formation of product. So if reactant combine with each other, then it convert into product. So new atom does not obtain and old atom does not destroy, only reorganization take place. So these are the fourth rule. So any chemical reactions involve always reorganization of atoms. These are neither created during reactions nor destroyed during chemical reaction. So any atom neither created nor destroyed, only reorganization take place. That means simply reactants convert into product in different way and we get a product from our reactant. This law possesses some limitation. Consider first rule. Its first postulate is that matter consists of indivisible atoms. But we know after Niels Bohr's theory, hydrogen atom, if lose one electron, then it convert into proton. So atom is divisible because of atom consists of three parts mainly. First one proton, neutron and third one is electron. So this first rule has limited. So matter consists of indivisible atom, but atom is divisible because of atom consists of three basic particles: electron, proton and neutron. Right? Consider this rule. Postulate number 3. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. So here H2 and O2 combine in 2:1 proportion, respectively hydrogen and oxygen. But how they are combined? Why only two molecules of hydrogen react with one molecule of oxygen? These are decided on the basis of valency of any atom. So how the valency related to chemical combination in fixed ratio, this postulate does not explain. So how molecule is obtained? This molecule obtained on the basis of valency of hydrogen and oxygen. We know that valency of oxygen is 2 and valency of hydrogen is 1. So how the valency or electronic configuration related to the formation of product, this theory does not explain. So these are the limitations of Dalton's atomic theory, because atom is divisible. If atom lose electron, it form a proton, like hydrogen atom, right? So they are divisible. Any molecule is obtained from different atoms of element, but it include its electronic configuration, and on the basis of this we explain formation of stable product. So this law does not explain how the valency is included during the formation of product. So these are the some limitation of Dalton's atomic theory. If you have some doubt, please write in comment section, and if you want to see a video of your topic that you have doubt about that, please write in comment section. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you for watching my video.